Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to contact Agoda by phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to contact Agoda by phone, you just simply have to open your Agoda application, and then after opening the Agoda application, you will get to see so many options into this home page. Now you just simply have to tap into this more button, and after tapping into more, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom, and you will get to see this help center option. Tap into that option, and then this contact us page will appear. Now you just simply have to select contact Agoda customer service option. Now from here you can easily contact with the customer service into your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.